To my channel. I look really weird right now because I've got two different eye colours on. The reason that being is because this morning I did this eye look, which I do quite like actually, so I might do a video on that because it is like a simple look you can do for every day. But I did this one because I was asked nicely if I would do the makeup for one of my relations for their prom, and I was like, well pleased that they asked me, to be honest. So I thought I'd just, you know, give it a little bit of a try, because this is like a little bit more dramatic than what she sent me, but I like to do dramatic, and it's not like too in your face, it is like just pretty silver and brown basically, so it won't take too long to do. So as with that, let's get rid of this. Now these eyelashes, I mean this one here, it's just on its way out. I'm going to just wipe it all off with a baby wipe. Do you know what? I have not even set my mirror up in the right place for doing this. But yeah, I thought I'd give it a go. Just do a little video. So if she wants to see this video, I mean, I'm going to practice on her anyway, but because everyone's got like different eyelids, etc. I mean, this might be a little bit too dark. I think some people like to just keep it really toned down. But I just like to do dramatic looks. Ooh. Naked eye. So wait, that's right. anyway. So I'm gonna get some primer. I use any primer, doesn't really matter really. Any primer will do. It's been 6 days since I've done a video. I'm so lame. I'm so sorry. I really need to do more videos. Wait for that to dry a little bit. So with this, I've used 2 palettes. I mean, I don't really want to go full in makeup wise on a young girl for prom. So I decided that I'm going to do the eye look for her, make it look pretty. Then maybe a bit of highlighter, because I don't think putting foundation on a young person's face is the right thing to do. And she's pretty as it is, so she doesn't need that. So anyway, first thing I did was fluffy brush, and I'm using the Dare to Create palette by Morphe. Morphe, you know it. Morphe is cool for, you know, the price and everything, like amazing. That was amazing, that palette to get. I mean, I don't think you can get it anymore. I think people are saying like you can't get it no more now. I don't think you can. I'm just glad I got it because there's that many colours in it. I mean, look at all them. All your transition colours. Or you can use them for your browns if you wanted to. But you got your blue, so you got your cool tones, your warm tones, you got everything really. So anyway, ooh, I'm not even showing you, am I? So I went in with this one here. It's just like a transition shade. I did notice when I was using them though, there is some fallout. So, I mean, if you're going to use foundation, then I would really suggest either baking underneath your eye, you know, I mean, sticky powder underneath your eyes to stop that from happening, so you just brush it off, or doing your eyeshadow first. It's just, if I was doing it, I'd most probably do my eyes first. I know some people don't like to do that, like to the foundation first, but I've tried both ways, and to be honest with you, I do prefer to like do my eyes first. And if any fallout, it's like, whatever, girlfriend, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because it just doesn't. You can just wipe it away with a wipe. Anyway, back to this. So then I went in with this brown here. Don't really use this. I haven't really used this eyeshadow palette that much, to be honest. But it is really a nice palette. I think what I'll do is I'll pack it on first. I'm sure I packed it on first and I blended it out. Do you know, it's been like 5 minutes and I can't even remember what it is. Wow. Is this a thing that happens when you get old? Maybe it's just me. I don't even know. I think I like to practice though, because when I'm doing other people's makeup I get really nervous because you don't want to mess it up and you want them to be happy with how it looks. So I mean, I like it this dark, but if she doesn't, then she doesn't at the end of the day. So I'll do it lighter, but what gives me a chance is if I do trial it out, then it gives me a chance to like get it wrong and then get it right. I hear you saying, just get on with it. Just get on with it, woman. Oh my god, I was so panicked. I saw a bee and I thought it was going to come in the window. And then you'd have heard me screaming. That's not a good thing. I've got a bit of wind. I do beg my pardon. Why is it I can always get one eye quite good and then one eye always does my head in? Usually, actually, it's the other eye. I'm just wondering if that's the same darkness. Yeah, that'll do. Right, then I'm going to just blend that out again with a fluffy brush so it's not as harsh. See, you see all the fallout? I don't know if you can see that, but there's quite a lot. I'll wipe that away in a bit. So, concealer, I'm using the Unique one. It's not matter what you use. Sometimes I think this one might be a bit thick, but I like using it. So, I'm just going to take a section away with this. Usually I put far too much on, and this time I've not put enough on. Yeah, and then we're going to go in with, I'm not even bothered that it's a little bit sticky, because this eyeshadow will stick back to it. So we're going to go in with the Saharan by Juvia. And I'm going to do this with my finger for now. And I'm going to go in with this one here. This silver. It's called Iman. 1 and 2. So I get my finger. I mean, look at that pigment. That's just pretty, right? Only thing I hate about using your finger is you don't really have as much control. But what I did was, I did some with my finger, and then I went back in with a brush. So now I'm going to get this brush to use this end. I mean, I think the pigment's quite good with a brush anyway, but you know, I just poked myself in the eye. That's not a good thing when you've got watery eyes. Get this brush again. So much moving about. And then we're going to get that brown that we had. And take it right underneath. So you can see I've got watery eyes right now because it's like gathering there. And now it looks darker there than now. Alright, let's get this wipe and get rid of that. It looks like I've done my contouring wrong. Oh my god, she's so messed up her contouring. It's way too dark. Okay, no I didn't. I'm not saying I'm great at contouring, like, yet. But I didn't do that. So, The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Asda highlighter palette and I'm going to go in with this gold colour Goddess. I'm going to take a little bit and I'm just going to place it underneath my brow. So the look I did this morning was gold and brown with a bit of, was it purple? Yeah, purple. See, I'm forgetting my mind already and it's like, I've just done it. Mascara. Don't matter what mascara you use, I'm using the Long Lash. I need some more actually. And this eyelash might go on wrong just because, like I said, you know, it's a bit knackered and I do need, well, I've got some more, but I like to use them as much as I can because no one wants to be paying like loads of money all the time for eyelashes. Well, I don't. Not right now anyway. So, there you are. Couldn't find my eyelashes. It's like a little bit on the bent side, to be fair. It's like, please, do not use me again. I promise I'm going to go on wrong. I'm going to go on wrong. So wrong. You better not go on wrong. The crazy lady is talking to her eyelashes. So pop some eyelash glue on there. Sometimes, I mean, I get these eyelashes on great. Sometimes, not so much. And like this one's been a bit bent at the minute. It's like awkward. While I'm doing that, waiting for that to dry, I'm just going to go in with some of this here. Sunset. Just going to highlight my face a little bit. Because what I was thinking was, you know, I do the eye look, give her some highlighter. Job was a good one. But this is a really great highlighter palette. And it's only £5. I was using the one from Urban Decay. But I got that one on sale too, so I want to, but it was like £20. So I think this is almost dry. Well, not dry, you know, sticky. Okay. So, there we have it. Like a subtle eye look. Not too dramatic, but not, you know, not so you can't see it. So you can definitely see it. It looks like I've had my hair cut. I haven't. It's all back here. Yeah. So anyway, that's that done. Don't know whether to go in nude or something like that on the day, but we'll see. So if you do like this video and you thought it was okay, give me a big fat thumbs up. Please comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye guys.